Hi everyone, I am Deepak Kumar Soni. Today I am going to show you a smart power supply kit which I have built as a part of my smart grid project. Using this kit, I can monitor the real-time energy consumption of any load and control the power supply of the load using Blink app from my mobile. Here for monitoring the load power consumption and collecting them on the Google Sheet, yes, I am using the PGM and ESP module. As a load, I am using bulb now. Now I am going to demonstrate my project. Initially, bulb is turned off. Power consumption is a 0. Here you can see as a power consumption is 0. Now I can use the switch or mobile app for the turning on the load. Here I am using the Blink app. When I am turning it on, now the ESP module will get a signal from the mobile app through the internet. Hence, we can control it from anywhere. The signal will go to the relay board, we'll hear a tick sound, and here bulb is on. Look over, we can see the real-time value of power consumption is no more 0. Now it is 12.9 watt. So again, when I will turn it off through the app, value will go to 0. Yeah, bulb is off. Now the wait a second. Now the real time value is coming 0.
Now I will show the various energy consumption of the various load profile. First, the washing machine. During the water filling time, the power consumption will be the very low, about 6 to 7 watt. And during the washing cycle, as the motor will on and off continuously, and power will also fluctuate between 250 watt and 70 watt. And during the draining cycle and filling cycle, water filling cycle, the power consumption will be again very low because the motor will not run at that time. And in the rinse cycle, again the power consumption will increase because the motor will on and off continuously. And during the rinse cycle, the power demand will be the constant because the motor will run continuously in the spin cycle. And after the spin cycle, the load demand will be the washing machine will be off, turned off, and the load demand will be the 0. So here the maximum current rating of the washing machine is 1.3 amp, and the power factor fluctuating between 0.8 to 1, and energy profile is given for the one washing cycle. Come to the laptop charging. When the laptop is fully discharged, at that time the power consumption is the 85 watt, 85 to 86 watt. And as the gradually power is the battery is charging, the power consumption is also decreasing. And at the end, when the battery get fully charged, at that time the power consumption will reduce to the 16 to 70 watt only. And if you see the current profile of the laptop charger, the maximum current rating of the laptop charger is the 0.4 amp, 0.42 amp, you can see. And this is the power factor, which is varying between the 0.95 to 0.65. And this is the energy profile based upon the more than 40,000 sample data. Coming to the mobile, when mobile is initially fully discharged, at that time the power consumption rating is the 13 watt, and gradually it will increase as the battery will get fully charged. At that time the charger, after the fully charge of the battery, charger will get uh, turned off, and the power supply will be the 0. The power factor of the load of the charger will vary between the 0.55 to 0.4, and maximum current rating is 0.1 amp of the mobile charger.
Hi, Now I will show you the closed loop control of Smart Home Kit. Here my control strategy is to trip the relay module if our load demand goes beyond 20 watt. Here I have connected 12 watt bulb. If I switch it on, so it will glow continuously because right now our power demand is less than 20 watt. So relay will not trip. Now suppose if I will increase the load demand beyond the 20 watt, I have connected laptop charger. Now you can see our relay module has been tripped and load has been disconnected. Now again, if I have removed the laptop charger, and right now our load demand decreased to 20 watt, less than 20 watt. So relay will again turn on this load. So by this we can say our control strategy is working fine.
Thank you for watching the video.